Hey, welcome to a brand new day. Yesterday, you learned how to create arguments for your defined functions. You learned that you can have one argument, such as here, or more arguments divided by commas. So at this point, our program is able to get to-dos by calling this function throughout the script, such as here, getting the to-dos in a list through that function. But also, the program is able to write to-dos in the text file, in the to-dos.txt file, using this write to-dos function. So function with one argument, function with two arguments. And another difference between these two functions is that this function here returns something and this function here doesn't return a value. So some functions output something and others simply do some actions when you call them, and that's all. For example, this function here writes the to-dos in a text file and that's all. It doesn't return anything. Today we're going to be looking deeper into functions. You're going to learn about default arguments. So ready? Let's see you in the next video.